Hello there, and a warm welcome to our digital trend space by Munich Fabric Start, which unveils the new trend experience for Autumn-Winter 22-23. For the optimal experience, please either use Chrome or Firefox as internet browser. The following tips and tricks will help guide you through the space set up as a pentagon. This overview gives you a first impression of the space. You will find some practical tools and options to move around over here in the menu bar. Before you start exploring, please make sure to switch to full screen mode and turn on your sound for a proper audio source. This button will start a system-guided tour which shows each picture in order, providing detailed information. You can use these buttons to move forward or go back. If you wish to exit the tour and move around individually, just click on this button. By clicking on one of the pictures, you will then be directed towards this picture. Moving over a picture, what happens on a mobile device, will provide you with more details about the context of this picture. Clicking below the picture brings you back to the navigation arrows. You can further navigate and continue your own tour by using the 4 arrows or clicking on the floor. If you use a trackpad, you can also easily zoom in or out. Now, let me give you a short overview of what to expect from our new trend space for Autumn-Winter 22-23, featuring 5 trend themes under the seasonal slogan Rise. Same but different stages multi-layered coziness, transparency and function. Mixed Realities features the digital design of our future in the real world. Firestarter celebrates a rebellious bond and provocative chic. Country Party stages a retro charm thanks to elegant fabrics in rural settings. Radically Hopeful focuses on circular approaches and multifunctional designs in a global context. Each of the 5 trends will provide you with the key colors, a short trend introduction, an overview of the most important moods and materials, as well as the key looks, followed by a dedicated inspirational video for this trend. Before you start watching the video, please make sure your screen is switched to full screen mode and turn on your sound. To stop the video, just click on the exit button and continue your journey. Please make sure you start only one video at a time and discover each of the 5 trends in more detail in your own time. Make sure you don't miss the inspirational video statements of international trend experts like David Shaw, Peclet Paris or ITL Group, who share their vision on the next season with you. The summary of our trend analysis with all detailed information can be downloaded as PDF here. Now we wish you a pleasant and inspirational stay in our trend space and can't wait to bring Rise to life with you in Munich.